Jim is mowing. He's mowing the yard. Oh my God. That's good. We are in the lake. The kids are playing. Where is Baba going? You call him.
I'm gonna do a video.
No. I'm ongoing. We are in the lake. Marami nang tumubo na bulaklak ni Teresa. Yan o. Ganda. Umuwi na yung mga bata. They already went home. Ayan yung barn. Talaga mabait maglinis si Jim.